Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says plans are underway to establish a Niger Delta Sports Institute to develop a crop of athletes across the region. Dr. Ogbuku, who made this known recently during a football tournament of old secondary school students organized by the NDDC, said the initiative is intended to disabuse youths from vices and engage them in sports where they can make ends meet for themselves.
The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, believes that creating sports and recreational centers in the Niger Delta would be a common ground for integrating the region. The WW White Old School Football Tournament between old secondary school boys and girls, organized by the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, was part of the Commission's effort to revive local sporting events, unite old-time friends while creating healthy competitions. The tournament, which was held at the Shark Stadium in Port Harcourt, brought together men and women from across the Niger Delta to compete in various sports. Memories of good old athletic days came flashing in as the Baptist High School beat the Stella Maris College in the quarter-finals, Comprehensive Secondary School in the semi-finals, and then defeated the Government Secondary School, Borokiri, to lift the trophy.
It's a way of bringing everyone together, a way of uniting all of us 30 years after we have left school.
So I want to encourage other states to emulate what the CEO and MD of NDDC is trying to do.
Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, who presented trophies to winners who participated in different activities, said the old school football competition was organized to promote integration in the Niger Delta through sporting activities.
For NDDC, we really want to encourage sports development. This is a competition that has produced professional footballers in the early 80s in Port Harcourt. So we are just trying to revive the competition by using those players that played in the early 80s and late 90s.
On the bigger side, Dr. Ogbuku hinted that the NDDC would in the coming days launch a Niger Delta Sports Institute where Niger Delta youth would be groomed athletically to compete in sporting events from local to national levels and beyond. He said plans have been concluded to host the first ever Niger Delta Sports Festival where all the 9 states of the region would converge to showcase their respective sports prowess this year.
Not just targeting at one sport, where we bring all the Niger Delta states under one roof to compete in different sports.
The Niger Delta Sports Institute is expected to operate in collaboration with the government of Niger Delta states.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,